Yo, it's Reem, and today I'm drinking some Oasis. Lovely. So first of all, we got some nice little simple moisturiser. We're gonna dab it on our face like we're making a painting with some polka dots, and then we're gonna quickly just get that little bit off our lip. Bit weird there, mate. Tasting some moisturiser. Not a very nice taste. We're gonna rub it in. Just a nice circle. Figure eights, mate. Figure of eights. Yeah, get them in, and now it's all rubbed in. Your face feels nice and fresh. We got some nice elven some elven juice. Quite nice, mate. Yeah. Oh, let's see. It lays on a bit thick. We're gonna do the exact same polka dot setting as we did with the moisturiser, and then we're gonna figure of eights once again. Figure of eight once again. And then what that's all in, make sure you get into the crevices of your nose and make sure your septum piercing is off center. Don't know what this is. I don't know what it's called. Might be elf again. Looked like it said ice on the back. It says feel me, something like that. It looks the exact same shade. It looks like the same old shit. And then you squeeze a little sponge and you soak that up in a figure of eight again on the hand, and it looks like a cheeky mud puddle on the ground. And then you do a nice little dab, no dance, and then you stroke your chin with it, like you're thinking, and you just clean yourself basically with this nice little mud brush, and then you dab your hair with it, and funnily enough, it makes your hair go from blonde to brown, and now all of a sudden, you've got a muddy fist, like you've been punching dirt, and then you get this ruby thing, that looks like a weird looking pen, marker, or something like that. And then make sure you put this not up your nostril but along the ridge of your nose, and then dab that in once again, and it should blend quite nicely. And then you smile. Oh, look, I'm posing for you. Beautiful. Look at me. Wow. And then we got this clearly very old powder, because you can't even see the name of the logo. And then you get your grey musty sponge that's 3,000 years old because it's grey. Shit's from Pompeii. You're gonna have to bleep that. Can't swear. And then we're going to take another drink of the Oasis. Worst flavour of Oasis, by the way. The pink purple one's better. And then we got this another pink, was going to say lip gloss, but it's clearly not. Don't know what this is. It's some kind of face paint. Blush, maybe? Something to make me red. Yeah, I think that's blush. See, I'm a genius. I know makeup. That's why I'm doing this voiceover. And then we got... She moves a bit too quick for me to understand, so just another powder, maybe foundation, maybe something like that, and you brush this along your face, and make sure you get that right in, and then shush, and then we're still stuck in 2023, and you make sure you get that in your hair once again to change the colour of your hair, and make sure you get the ridges of your nose once again. Don't get that in your eyes, that'd be very painful. And then up your nostrils, lovely. And then multiple brush this time. Oh, yeah, make sure you just brush your face with a nice brush. It's very soothing. Poke yourself in eye like she just did there. Lovely. Oh, and pose once again. Lovely. It's Vogue. Oh, we got more elven spray this time instead of juice. Oh, there we go. Revitalising that face. Lovely. And then we got eyeshadow, I think. Let me see if I'm correct. Is this eyeshadow? It's a lovely palette, man. This is, oh, yeah, it is. Lovely. Just getting very deep into there then. Make sure you don't stab yourself in the eyes. Oh my god, look at the difference. That is beautiful. Oh, that was a sick transition. I can't even lie. That was perfect. Oh, now she got wings. Oh my god, this is incredible. Clearly not good enough. And then you use this torture device, this surgical torture device to curl your eyelashes. It is disgusting. Oh, and then you use your mascara, which is also very disgusting because of how close it gets to the eyes. That is genuinely awful. My eyes are watering. And yeah, this is nice. And we're gonna get the eyelashes on, and we're gonna put some cheeky bit of super glue. We've got some Gorilla Glue on the eyes. It's a beautiful thing to do. And now my eyelashes look nice and lovely. Super glue on eyes, and then we get more eyeshadow. And you just dab that right into where when you wake up in the morning and your sleep is, and you put a little bit on your nose too, just for good measure. Don't know why you do that, but it looks nice, makes your nose nice and shiny like it's in the sunlight. Got no Vaseline left. Oh, you put the Vaseline on the lips, the petroleum jelly. We're in an oil crisis, but it's okay. What is that? We're gonna draw on our face like we've got a colouring book. Oh, no, we're drawing on lips. Oh, lip liner, that's what it is. Yeah, okay, understood. Yeah, make sure you don't go in the lines. Make sure you colour inside the lines here. Yep, nice. Look, now you're nice and plump. And if you coloured over the lines, you'd look stupid. And then we've got some more elf spray to revitalise that face. Elven spray. Nice. And then we look beautiful. See? Yep. Beautiful. Yep. Yep. Oh, even more beautiful. Even more poses. Goodbye.